Alright guys, this is Dev from India Trading Academy. I just wanted to update you. This is a new trade for online money. We are planning, and this is the plan we have so far. So right now on the daily charts, we are on the structure. So we are taking that as an account. We're going to the lower time frame. As you can see, we are getting a little low. So this could be two things. If this is an impulsive and it's broken down from this pattern, all you need to do, if it's going correctively, this will be our right trade. This is our stop. Obviously 1:2 ratio it should be there, and since I can see a downside on a daily chart, so definitely there is going to be a downside. Alright, so I'll update you. This is 5:45 in the evening, and I'll update you once I get into the trade. I'll get back to you. As you can see guys, this is 10 at night, and we got the entry at this candle. This is high is 169.05 and our entry is 169. Alright, so we are into this trade now. As you can see, we are looking for shorting the market, and as RSI is almost overbought, right? The only thing it's not exactly overbought. It's 76 points. It's still 4 points to go, and still there's no sign of weakness since our orders were pending. So that's why we got filled. Otherwise, what would have happened, I could have seen it, and I have actually placed my order a little above, but not a problem. It doesn't mean structure wise we have anything changed here. Still looking for the downside. The only thing now can happen, I we have to suffer a little, okay, and then we can look for our targets, okay, or in the worst case scenario our stop loss can get hit. Excuse me. All right, so where would our target go? Simple. It has to be, as I taught you, it has to be at least 1:1, but we are looking for extension of this move, right? Not the retracement of that move. So we would be keeping our target somewhere here. So we would be booking our profits somewhere here. It's already like 2.595, and I think almost 1:3. No, it's not 1:2, but it's 1:1.8 or 7, I think, right? So that's how it is. I'll get back to you soon. Hey guys, welcome back. This is another day, next day from the last day we have taken the trade in this lead, and it is 2:20 p.m. 6th of October right now, and market open, like market did not do anything over midnight, so it was there where we left it, right? So this is where we got the entry, and we're still in the trade. We're looking for this move to the downside, and we are gonna pay attention over here. I'm just gonna shooting this because I want to give you this update. We have to pay attention on this developing pattern. All right, so like the secret reveals in this, if it goes correctively, there's one more upside to that, and then we'll decide what we can add more trade to that as per the rules and all that. Depends. But right now what I'm trying to say, this is the key center here, okay? Like most trader, like they have taken the trade and they forget it, okay? You need to pay attention to the market, what's the market is trying to tell you, okay? And right now the pattern is in developing form, so it can develop or it can develop this way. All right, so that happened. Let's see what happens. Oh, I'll keep you updated with this trade. Even if we got stopped out on this trade, no problem in that also. That way you get to know how we manage the trade. So literally we are showing you guys how do we take the trade and how do we manage it. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Yeah guys, welcome back. This is next update in the trade. So this is 5:51 p.m., like around 6 o'clock in the evening, 6th of October, same day. And as you can see, we are moving towards our target, and now we need to pay attention as the RSI is going on oversold territory, right? So that's a little dangerous for us. What it could do for that, it if it make a correction, no problem, we'll add more trade to it. But if not, then definitely there could be potential for this, okay? So we don't want that, and we also don't want to lose this. And remember, one thing I taught you in the class, that we never mess around once we place the target and a stop loss order. Okay, so we don't make any decision emotionally. Here we are going to make, once we reach at this level, we're gonna put our stop to the break even. That's the thing we do. Okay, and then we let our target run. Okay, the only thing we need to conquer is this. Okay, so as soon as we are hitting this, like we are almost about to hit it, so the moment we hit this lowest close over here, we're gonna come to break even, and then we'll see and we'll analyze this again. I'll update you again, guys. All right, guys, this is 7:12, around 7:15 in the evening, same day, 6th of October. Time to go break even now. Okay, so this is the trade now, where the worst case scenario is our entry point. Okay, so this is something, if the market does now this, we'll be out somewhere here. So no loss, no profit, but at least we got the move. All right, but in the best case scenario, we are still waiting for our target. Remember, we are not booking the profit here any single rupees. Why? Because that's the decision we made before placing the trade, and the structure of the market still does not convince us to book the profit here right now. So what we'll do, we are waiting for our target to be hit, but we are on break even now. I'll update you again as soon as something happens. And this is Friday. I'm not sure whether this trade will go finishing today or maybe on Monday or something, but I'll keep you updated on this trade. Alright, guys, this is 9:30 around, and we are, as you can see, we are so close to our target, and now we are watching it very closely, because you see this thing, this could turn into an impulse and then it could reverse. Okay, so any correction over here, we would be paying more attention, and we would be coming out somewhere here, because then it will be a trend reversal sign for us. Okay, other than that, we are still in the trade and we're looking for this target. We'll update you again. Alright, guys, this is 10:30 around at night, same day. As I have discussed this before, this look like similar, right? So if any cases happens, this breaks this up, then it's hiding this much, and then we would be losing this potential gain we have. So what we can do here, we can do two things. Those who have patience, and those who wants, like those are not scared of the market right now, they can hold the trade. And those who want to save the profits which this much have gain, the reason only we are making this decision because the market right now telling us where it's heading, right? So we'll be keeping our stop somewhere here, and I'll update you whether we stopped out or our target get hits. And we came to watch this scene happening, we came really low. I want to make sure you know this, we are on 15 minutes now. Okay, so we are managing this trade on 15 minutes, so we can see every possible impulse and correction to the right direction. Alright, guys, I'll update you then. Alright, guys, so this is the final update into the late trade. This is Monday afternoon. As you can see, our target got filled, and now we would be looking for another trade, and technically we would be doing the same thing again, analyzing the market, placing the trade, and managing the trade. And that's how we do it over and over and over again. Okay, that's how you win the market. All right, the main purpose for this video actually to make you guys see how do you actually manage the trade, how do you place the trade, because most of the trader actually are like they place the trade emotionally. First of all, if you remember, we actually took this entry when the market was here somewhere, right? So we waited. The patience is the key. That's what I'm trying to say. The patience is the key here. If you are very impatient, you're buying, selling randomly, your account will teach you a lesson actually in that case. Nobody else. All right. So, all right. So this is Dave again. Thank you for watching. Signing off. Have a good day. Bye bye.